My preference would be to stay at any of the three hotels at the Bikini Beach: Kaani Grand, Kaani Palm, or Arena Beach. We stayed at Kaani Grand Hotel, which was right at the Bikini Beach, and we were staying in the King's Suite, which was on the 7th floor. Let me start by giving you a tour of the room. So this is our room at Kaani Grand in Maafushi. We are at the 7th floor now, and the view is so beautiful. I can see some people snorkeling. The room offers a panoramic view of the ocean. You can enjoy the breeze sitting in the balcony, and the vibes are really good at the beach. And that's our bed. We could get a lovely view of the ocean from the bed itself. Imagine yourself waking up to such a view every day. The balcony is also huge, and maybe we'll be spending most of our time sitting in the balcony only during the day when it will be extremely hot outside. The bathroom was also big. It had a jacuzzi, which we never used to indulge in earlier, but this time it was the limelight of the trip. We did enjoy a good jacuzzi after a tiring day of walking around the island and swimming at the beach. There is a functional shower area, and the best part was you could see the ocean from the bathroom itself, which was mesmerizing. Wherever in the room you are, you can always get a good view of the ocean. I would love to brush here in the morning and get that view, or maybe simply washing the face and enjoying the ocean view. Even while working, I think I could feel the breeze on my face and also enjoy the view once in a while. It did feel nice. There is a dedicated workspace here, and I would love to open my laptop and work from here for a while because I haven't been able to open my laptop since I left Bengaluru. Okay, that's Kaani Grand where we are staying, and we are staying at the top floor, which is the 7th floor. Right next to it is Arena Beach Hotel, and adjacent to it is Kaani Palm Beach on the right hand side, which we can't see from here. The view from all the three hotels is amazing. Initially, we had so many plans to go for scuba, snorkeling excursions, island hopping, and so on. But we found sitting here in the balcony so relaxing and unwinding, we decided to do away with everything else and to enjoy this place itself. And it was truly rewarding. If you are tight on budget, you can consider going to the other side of the island, which is equally beautiful. Though the only downside is that it is not the Bikini Beach area, so you may have to walk a bit if you wanted to swim in the ocean and wanted to wear short clothes. But otherwise, I think it does offer equally good view of the ocean, and you are right next to it only. There are good options with good ratings. For example, Sunrise Beach is one of them. There is Triton here, and there are a lot of others with good ratings, and they do also have good setup right next to the beach, so you would be able to enjoy good dinner in the evening. Maafushi in itself is a very small island, and you can actually walk around the entire island in a matter of a few minutes. We started from Kaani Grand. We walked along this stretch of the beach, came to this side. So there are plenty of cafes and hotels along the way, and on one side there is the beach, and on the other side there is a row of cafes and restaurants. We are really impressed with the public infrastructure which is being developed on the remote islands like Maafushi. For example, the exercising equipment which are being set up by government, sitting options, there plenty of sitting options are there on the beach, and also for example schools and the stadium. Let's go take a look at this stadium. We just spotted it on the right hand side. We walked to the ground, which looked very beautiful. We walked through some streets, and then we reached Maafushi Mosque, which looked serene. We did not go inside, we just looked at it from outside. I don't know if you are allowed to go inside or not. And then we continued till the Maafushi jail, came here, took the U-turn, walked along the side of the beach. There are a lot of cafes and food options available along this stretch of the beach, and that's where the jetty is, where you arrive to or depart from. By the time we reached the hotel, it was already dark. Here they're decorating this space with heart shapes, and they're going to light them. People are going to come. Hearts are going to remain same. People will keep changing throughout the evening. There's another beautiful heart. P.S. If you are going for honeymoon, I think it would be worth to take king's suite or in this particular hotel, Kaani Grand, or you may prefer a higher floor with a sea view, because during the day you may not be able to go out, and if you are able to experience good breeze from your balcony itself, I think it would just enhance your overall experience. Also, I think if you are not much for water sports, and if you just enjoy the views and breeze, then I think then also it is worth taking a floor. Now it is time to say goodbye to Maafushi, and we are not feeling very good about it. I mean, we feel like we spent very less time here. 2 days were just not enough. I think we would probably come back and stay there for about a week. But alright, bye bye Maafushi. See you again. I hope this video helps you decide where should you stay, and have a wonderful stay in Maafushi. If you have any further questions, do write in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond.